Hey, to use your Google Assistant when the screen is turned off, first of all, just be sure that you are using the latest version of the Google app, and next, just open it. From here, you will have to click on the right upper corner and go into the settings. Right now, just scroll down and open the Google Assistant, and now go into the lock screen. So that's the popular settings. If you cannot find it right here, you can use the search bar. So open it, and from here, as you can see, we've got information that we can use the Google Assistant without unlocking our phone. So tap on the right bottom corner, yes, I'm in. And from here, we have to turn on the switcher, this one and this one. And now, when you lock your screen, you will be able to use the Hey Google voice command. If you didn't set up the Hey Google, you will find it right here. So you have to turn on the Google Assistant, and then you'll have to input your voice data. And after this, you'll be able to say Hey Google, and when your screen will be turned off, you will be able to use it. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.